Let's take a look at the chart action for Bitcoin. Okay, so here's what we're looking at. We're on the 4-hour time frame. We've been looking at this channel pattern right here, and it looks like we're finally getting a breakout to the upside. What I'll be doing is targeting from the top to the bottom to start with, top to the bottom of this channel, drag this to the breakout, and I'm looking at a target of approximately 51,661. The other spot I'm looking at is this previous resistance up here, sitting at 51,766. So right around in this area. And also, if you look on the 4-hour time frame, you have this 180 moving average coming in that lines up with that area right there. I'm kind of curious if we'll get resistance right here. Maybe we'll have to test this uptrend that we're going in right now. Right here you can see that we have support, support, support. We broke above that moving average on the 4-hour time frame. Let's do a trend line going to the upside like this until we break this trend line going to the downside. I'm looking at this target up here and kind of assuming that we're in an uptrend. If we jump over the total crypto market cap, the other thing we're looking at is this big channel pattern moving to the downside. We're also in this little triangle pattern right here. We actually broke that channel pattern going to the upside. So this is probably a good thing for the total crypto market cap or all the coins in general. Let's see what happens when we come into this trend line right here. If we go to the daily time frame, this looks a little bit cleaner. So if we're on the daily time frame, you can see that we have this downtrend like this. Let's see what happens when we come up and either test it and get rejected or break through it and start retesting these previous resistance zones. If we jump over to the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, Ethereum is still on this uptrend like this. We still haven't broke this uptrend going to the downside. I think if we could break this going down, that's going to be good for Bitcoin. As long as this is trending up, that's good for Ethereum. Okay, so we're back on the Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. So it'd be nice to see some bigger green volume candles, but we are getting some green candles. And what I'm looking at is that target of approximately 51,000.6.7K, somewhere around there. Let's see if we can keep this momentum going to the upside. On this 4-hour time frame, we have an uptrend like this. If we break this going to the downside, that might be a signal that we might be kind of coming back down to retest these bottoms or even test this top right here. We might have to come up and come down and retest it. But so far right now, this is looking pretty good. I do like the way we broke this downtrend going to the upside. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you're new to trading and you want to follow along and you don't know how, check out these videos right here. It's basically a rundown on how you can get started and follow along on TradingView and read charts. Alright, if you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up.